Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, the Reserve Bank reduced its cash rate by 0.15% to 0.1%. None of the major lenders has reduced their variable rate product, but for fixed rate product, expect major changes next week. For example, NAB is offering 1.98% for its 4 years fixed rate commencing next week. This is probably the cheapest among the major five lenders, but perhaps by only 0.1%, 0.01%. With Commonwealth Bank, Westpac and St George, they are at 1.99%. So should you be taking up a fixed rate product? If you do, just keep this in mind. Most fixed rate in the market has a cap on additional repayment. Most fixed rate in the market do not come with redraw facility. So if you make extra repayment, you cannot redraw the funds out in the next 4 years. Virtually all fixed rate product does not come with an offset facility. So that is something to keep in mind. If you elect to take up a fixed rate, which is very, very attractive, a 4 years fixed rate at 1.98%, it is at least 0.5% cheaper than a non-honeymoon rate variable product. Ideally, consider splitting up your mortgage so that you can still continue to have an offset facility, which can be very, very useful. So should we just go to NAB because it has a rate of 1.98% as opposed to Westpac, for example, or St George at 1.99%, just 0.101% higher. Just by looking at the features, if it was me, I may consider going to Westpac or St George. Why? Because Westpac and St George fixed rate do come with a redraw facility. If you elect to split up the mortgage, just keep that in mind. When you split up a mortgage, some lenders provide slightly lesser discount when you have two loans within the one mortgage. And if you do take a fixed rate product, just make sure that you do not sell the property in the next 4 years. Why? Because hefty break costs can apply if you break the mortgage during the fixed rate term. So I hope this gives you a brief idea of what to expect. To repeat, no lenders or no major lenders have reduced their variable rate products. But for fixed rate, especially the 4 years fixed rate, 4 out of the major 5 lenders has reduced its rates to less than 2%, and you will see that reflected on their website by next week. Thank you.